test design, test execution is in the test plan na. What is our scope? Okay, what is environments? Everything is there. Okay, what
Yes.
is our environments? Okay, environments means okay, environments. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
environments, everything. Okay, environment which OS, Windows or Linux or Mac. Okay,
Yeah.
what environment okay, everything will under here. Okay, budget now, what is our budget, how many resources, based on the budget we allocate the resources. Okay,
Yeah.
we then get tool analysis for automation. Which tool is preferable for this application?
Yeah.
Okay, Selenium or Selenium with Java, Selenium C Sharp, QTP, any other. Okay, we can analysis. Okay,
Mhm.
and test design, we writing in this space, you writing the test cases. Okay, in this
Yeah.
space, in the test execution now, you execute the test cases.
Yeah.
Okay, you just execute the test cases. Analysis space now, so how many test cases are there, how many
Pass.
pass or fail
Yeah.
reasons. Okay, we can analyze those information.
Yeah.
Okay, everything is okay, we can deliver to the client. And maintenance, any new features are coming now, again we can start
Yeah.
same thing. Okay,
Yeah.
so in the organization, these many positions are there in many. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so some organizations, some more differences, different there. But as of now, these
Mm-hmm.
are the major roles and responsibilities. Okay, there's a trainer, new Chinese a trainer, software engineer, a senior
Mm-hmm.
software engineer, team lead, project lead. Okay, these are the management team. Okay, manager,
Yeah.
associate manager, senior manager. These are the managing the projects. Okay, okay. Mm. Software development life cycle. If software development life cycle. So to test the application, so many ways are there.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
Yes.
Develop the application and okay. First of all, and starting first of all, environments. Different types of different environments are there. Okay,
Okay.
developer develop the code, right,
Mm-hmm.
and commit the code to their branches, right. Okay,
Yeah.
that is a dev
Environment.
environment.
Okay.
Dev. Okay, developer developing the application, right? On the time they push the code to dev environment. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. After that, okay, some features is developed. Okay, for
Yeah.
example, some 10 features are there. For example, Gmail Compose is there, Gmail Inbox is there, Gmail Spam is there, Gmail. So many things are there, right?
Yeah.
Login is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
registration is there, so many features are there. So as of now developed only inbox, for example. So those code available in the dev environment. So
Yeah.
those features can be moved to QA. Okay,
Yeah.
QA man, those data come push to dev to QA.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
in QA now,
Yeah.
you test this up in the QA environment, you execute the test cases. You see, that is called a QA environment.
Yeah.
Okay, you found any defect now, you raise a bug. You raise a bug, and again developer fix that bug in dev environment, again push to QA. You got it right?
Yeah.
So developer always work on in dev environment and everything is okay, then push the code to QA. You found any bug now, again developer
We'll
fix that
fix
bug
it.
in dev environment and code push to same code push to dev to again QA. Again you test now, everything is okay, then okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That is called a developer working on dev environment, tester working on QA environment.
Q environment.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Everything is okay. Okay.
Yeah.
this build apply to stage. Stage are stable. Okay, means, okay, stage means before deploy the, before going to prod, stable environment is there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, stable environment or stage environment. Okay,
Yeah.
in the stage environment also everything is fine, directly go to prod. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
majorly these many environments are there. So actually developer work on dev environment. Okay,
Yeah.
commit the code to their environment only. Okay, after completing the code, push to QA. Okay, QA test those scenarios, everything is okay, then move to stage. Okay, if not okay, then again
Go back to
fix the
developer.
bugs, everything is okay, then yeah, work on developer, again develop, fix the bug, and again push the code to QA is
Yes.
fine, everything is fine, then push the code to stage. This is
Yeah.
before deploying the code, code available in the stable environment. Okay, everything is okay, then we can move to prod means directly end user can use the application.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you have any questions regarding the environments?
You said the prod means product owner.
Prod means production.
Oh,
Product
production.
owner, not production.
Okay.
Means end user can use. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
you are using Gmail, right?
Yeah.
You are using Gmail, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is a prod. Okay.
Okay.
You are using you registration with the Gmail. Also, you are using the Gmail, right? This is a prod environment. So end user can use that application. No?
Yeah.
So you are using this application, right? So
Mm-hmm.
the server is available, right? Based
Yeah.
on that, you can use it, right? So that is
Yeah.
a prod environment. Stage na, these things are internal, only internal applications, internal environments.
Mm-hmm.
Prod means directly individual can use that application. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So first developer develop the code, right? In each environment, dev environment, right? Move to that code to QA, right?
QA.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
QA. Okay.
Yeah.
First, after deploy the code to QA, first types of testing is
Smoke test.
smoke test. Smoke test means, okay, initial step. This step is pass. Move to forward. Otherwise, smoke test gets failed. So initial step, smoke test to test the basic functionality, not a functional, just a basic. So simple. Okay.
Yeah.
Google, okay, Google, and hit the service, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
hit enter. So home page displayed or not, okay,
Yeah.
just displayed or not.
Yeah.
Search Selenium, just displayed or not. That's it. That is not valid result, not valid. No need to worry about. Okay, just navigating or not. Basic. Okay,
Basic.
navigating or
Okay.
not. Okay, that is called, yeah, basic. Just navigation is possible or not. Okay, proper
Yeah.
page is not. So this is not a valid or invalid. That is not a smoke test case. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, just basic functionality, very basic functionality. So that basic functionality is also, for example, you hit enter na Google and hit enter, the home page is not displayed, that is a bug, right? The smoke test case is failed, we don't go to further steps, right? We
Yeah.
don't perform any testing. So smoke test case failed, na initial step is failed, we don't do anything. Okay, that is
Mm-hmm.
the initial step. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
initial step. Okay.
Yeah.
means see, authentication means, tell me what is authentication? So you access Gmail inbox, you must and should be username password is required, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you access any Gmail, okay, Gmail must and should be a username password is required, right? Without username password we don't access inbox, right?
Yeah.
See, this is the inbox, you don't
Mhm.
access directly, right? You need must and should be some username password, right? Okay,
Mhm.
okay, the
Yeah.
type of testing is authentication testing. Without
Okay.
using the username password, user is possible to access the inbox. No, it's not possible, right? Okay,
Yeah.
that is the authentication testing. One more
It
example is there. Okay,
it just the
access.
it just clarified the authenticity, correct?
Yeah, yeah, just
Okay.
okay. Access the Gmail inbox. Okay,
Yeah.
basic knowledge. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. In the authentication testing, so many lot of things are there, but okay, basic what is authentication testing, no?
Mhm.
So you, without authenticating we don't possible to access the, okay, application. For example, Gmail inbox, now you must and should be required Gmail username and password, then only you can access the Gmail inbox. Otherwise you don't access the Gmail inbox. In the same way you can access the any Jira mission or any mission, you need to require to username and password. For example,
Password.
you need, yeah, you need to access the bank account, you must and should be required a username and password, right? Your bank account
Yeah.
number, bank password,
Mhm.
right? So
Yeah.
that is a authentication. That
Mhm.
is also one type of authentication testing. So in the authentication testing, so many things are there. So as of now, that is a basic, okay,
Yeah.
authentication testing. See, accessibility means,
Available to access.
okay,
Mhm.
so in the application, so many features are there,
Mhm.
but you have only limited features. For
Yeah.
example, you have any idea on any other means Jira board, something, you have any experience on that? No, right?
Yes.
Okay, for
I
example,
just
your
watch. Sorry,
manage,
I just watched the
uh,
video. Yeah, I watched the
yeah,
video and yeah, a little bit.
yeah. In case your manager login, na, there is possible to create a new user and edit a user. Okay,
Yeah.
you log in with your credential, you don't have any add user, you don't have any permission to add user like that. Just
Yeah.
you are using and see that information, that's it. That
Yeah.
is a read permission, someone has a write permission. So
Hmm.
you give a permissions, like that is accessibility. Okay, for
Yeah.
example, you log into account, you can see just transfer the money, that's it. You not possible to create a new account, right? You don't
Yeah.
have a that much permission. So bank manager have a permission, right? Check
Yeah.
the bank account, check the bank balance, create a new account, create a new fixed deposit. So many options are there for manager. You,
Yeah.
but you don't have that many options. So that is accessibility testing. Okay, for
Yeah.
example, Visual Studio is an open source, not a open source, right? That is a paid tool, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so Visual Studio, so based on you take the subscription, right? 1 year
Hmm.
subscription. So company paid some money and give the 1 year subscription. Based on subscription, you are using that product, right?
Yeah.
So in the Visual Studio also, so many differences are there: enterprise, express edition, edition, and professional edition. Based on that Based on that, now you have permissions, like,
Yeah.
okay, you got it.
Yes.
So that is the accessibility. So one user has limited accessibility. So some user have entire accessibility. Some user have some other
Restriction.
accessibility, like that. Okay. Okay. Restriction, providing a restriction, that is called accessibility testing. Okay. Okay. That is a accessibility testing. The types of taking, okay, accessibility testing. Accessibility testing. Small scientific testing. So security testing, na, in the security testing, so many things are there. Security testing separate team is there. Okay, in the organization, in some organization, security team is there. But what is security testing? Okay, security. You will log into application, the password capacity, and you take a subscription for this particular model. Only you can access only that particular model. Remaining model is not possible to access. The you don't have a
Access.
access. Okay, after don't have access. Security. So you have permission only. You can see those permissions only.
Okay.
Okay, that all are under security.
Mhm.
Okay, in every banking application, must and should be a security team, separate security team is there. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is security testing. Security. Okay. See, means, for example, see, this is after authentication, you get this email inbox, right?
Yeah.
Without username password, you don't get any inbox, right? Copy
Uh-huh.
this URL
Mhm.
and open in another browser and hit this URL and try to hit. You no, see, you observe, right?
Yeah.
Inbox is not came. Why? You don't authentication, right? You don't perform any username password. You copy that URL. Okay. You
Mhm.
copy that URL and hit this URL as per your requirement. You get the inbox, but you don't get an inbox, right? You get a home screen. This is called as some type of a direct URL testing. Some okay.
Mhm.
You got it right?
Yeah.
So end-to-end testing means okay to test the functionality as a end user. Okay, for example, this is a Gmail. Okay,
Mhm.
so first of all, what is the use of the Gmail? You send a mail to one person to another person, right? That is the main intention, right?
Yes.
Gmail main intention to send a mail from one user to
Is-
another user, and you can share the files. Everything is there. Main intention to some mailing, transfer the data, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you create an account and register a new user and write a mail and send a mail and user receive that mail. That is called a one end-to-end testing, right?
Yeah.
From starting to ending, every concept in the corner, that is end-to-end testing. Okay.
Mhm.
For Amazon, Amazon is also one e-commerce site, right? So
Yeah.
you take a one product, add to product cart and buy that product and deliver that product to client. That is a one end-to-end testing. So bank application, okay, you log into application, add one new user and transfer money from this account to that account. So beneficiary will get that amount or not. That is called a
End-to-end.
end-to-end testing. So you got it right.
Yeah.
Means everything cover. Okay, in the application. So to test the as an end user, everything will cover. Okay, that is called end-to-end testing. You have any questions end-to-end testing?
No.
Ad hoc testing. Okay,
Yeah.
ad hoc testing means, see, this is a Gmail, right? Already application is running, right? Enter username and login. You can see the Gmail inbox.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So in the application, you give a suggestion. Okay, this is not good. Okay, you implement this feature now. This will increase our our business like that. You give a suggestion to suggestions, new ideas. Got it right?
Yeah.
New ideas too. So this is a Gmail as of now is working. Okay. Previously the forgot email is not there, link is not there. You give a suggestion. Okay. Instead of forgot, no, you instead of write a forgot email link here. So end user easy for you use this application. That is one idea, right? You give a permission. Okay. You give a suggestion. So based on that, developer develop that bug, that develop that suggestion. That is called a ad hoc testing. Give suggestions to the application. That is called a exploratory testing. Okay. See, these are somewhat important: boundary value analysis, SQL and class partitions. Okay.
Mhm.
So you register any application, you set a password like that. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. 1 minute. Create an account for myself. See, first name. Okay.
Mhm.
You enter first name, right?
Mhm.
See, use 8 or more character with a mix of letter, number, and symbol, right?
Yeah.
This is the condition, right?
Correct. Yeah.
You see, na?
Mhm.
Minimum
8
8
or more.
or more. Minimum 8 characters is required. 8 or more character with a mix of letter, numbers, and symbols, right?
Mhm.
So you test this functionality. Okay. You need to enter 1 character, 2 character, 3 character, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this is not possible to test all combinations, right?
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah.
Not possible to combine all 8, 9, 10, 100, 200. It's not possible. Okay. So for in this case, okay, we apply some, okay,
Yeah.
boundary value analysis means minimum minus 1 means minimum, middle, max plus 1. For example, minimum. What is our 8 characters, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Minimum 7 with 7 character. I will try to create a password with 7 characters. You get some error message, right?
Yeah.
Okay. With minimum minus 1, na, that is a, you get error message. With minimum, na, password will create, right?
Yeah.
Middle also, you can create a maximum. For
Maximum.
example, username, password will maximum 30 characters. Okay.
Yeah.
You apply 30 characters, successfully you create a password. 31 character, na,
Yeah.
again you get some error, right?
Yeah.
So test this only this in this way. Not possible to test always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 200. Not this possible. Okay, to test this only minimum minus 1, middle, maximum plus 1. So everything is work. This scenario is working expected, na? So everything is work. That is a boundary value analysis. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is password or any like that. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the one thing. Same equivalent class partition, na? So for example, you register a Gmail, it asking some date of birth. Okay, machine should be date of birth is required greater than 18. Okay, for example, greater than 18. Okay,
Yeah.
greater than 18 and less than 99 something. That is our requirement. Okay. So our requirement is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18 and less than 100. Okay. Date of birth or any other field, maximum value it will allow greater than 18 and less than 100. So it's possible to 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Not possible to test all combinations, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this way, you perform some. So 18 working as expected, right? 18 plus 10. What is 18 plus 10? 28.
28. Mhm.
28 plus 10?
38.
38. 48.
48.
58. Like that. Plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. You got
Okay.
it right?
Yeah.
18 plus 10, 28 plus 10, 38. Otherwise, 5. 28 plus 18 plus 5, 8. I like that also. That is your wish, please. So I am taking 10 interval. Okay. 10
Mhm.
plus 28. 10 plus 10, 28. 28 plus 10, 38. Like that. 58, 68, 78. Okay.
Yeah.
So
But we can add
only
5 as
check
well,
these
right?
values
You
only.
said we can add 5 as well instead of 10.
Sorry.
So you said like we can add 5 as well, like 18 plus 5.
Like that also. That is your wish. Now,
Okay.
as of now, time interval is, what is the
Okay.
time interval? Time interval is 10, right? Time
Yeah,
interval
10. Mhm.
10. You take 5 interval also, more combinations came. Okay.
Okay.
That is your wish. Based on the time or based on the situation, you enter 20 also.
Okay.
Time interval 20 means 10 plus 20, 48, right?
Great. Yeah.
20, 38. 38 plus 20,
50.
like that. You can
Yeah.
take a time interval 20 also, 40 also, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this, you can test this application. Not possible to combine all 18 to 99, 90, 18 to 100. Okay. So you take some interval, 10 or 5 or 20 or 30 or that is your wish. Okay. To
Yeah.
test only, you enter 18 working as expected, 28 working as expected, 38, 98 is working as expected. More than that, now obviously it's not working. It should, application show some exception,
Yeah.
error message. Okay.
Mhm.
Like that, you can test the application. Not after express notification. So regression. Okay.
Mhm.
See. Amazon, this site is there. This is a retail application, right? You buy any product, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. In future, after few days, new offers came, na?
Yeah.
For this product, this credit card, debit card, 10% instant discount for this particular product, buy one get one, like that.
Yeah.
50% off, 20% off, like that, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On the time, previously some features are there, like login feature is there, cart feature is there. Okay. And after adding delete feature is there, so many features are there, right? Sign in feature is there. Okay.
Yeah.
These many features are there, right?
Yeah.
You perform, as of now, you providing some offers, right? So after providing the offers, the previous functionality also working as expected, right?
Yeah.
So previous functionality also need to test, right? That
Mhm.
is called a regression testing.
Okay.
Okay, regression testing. To test the already tested functionalities. You got it. See, as of now,
Yeah. So basically, this
as of now, login feature.
is for the
Yeah,
existing
login is
features.
there. Existing feature. You test the existing feature.
Okay.
As of now, new feature it came only 50% off, like that. New feature is added. Okay, as per the client requirement, new feature is added. Okay,
Mhm.
in the new feature added now, based on the new feature, there may be impact for the existing features, right?
Mhm.
Possibility is there, right?
Yeah.
Any new features came now, existing features will also impact, right?
Yeah.
So to test those test cases again, that is called a regression testing. Got it?
Okay.
Already tested those functionality, already working as expected in the prod. Again, you test why new features is came now. So there may be impact for existing features. So that is called a our features
Regression.
already tested functionalities. Okay,
Yeah.
that is called a regression testing. Okay,
Yeah.
mostly automation work here. Mostly, okay, automation mainly involved 80% in automation involved here. Okay.
Venkat, for the regression testing, we are not testing the new
Yeah.
features, only the existing one, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Existing only.
Only existing. Okay. Thank you.
The only regression testing means only already tested functionality, only old feature will test. That is called a regression testing.
Okay.
New features came now, that is not a regression. That is a normal smoke testing and it is normal testing.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Regression. Retesting. Retesting. What is retesting?
So we repeating the testing?
To to test the application. See, login functionality is there, right? You can test the login functionality with different username, different password, right? Functionality is same, but test data is different, right? You observe, for example, you login, perform login, Amazon login. Must should be username, password is required, right?
Mm-hmm.
So to test with the different test data, that is called a retesting. Okay, different test. Okay, that is one thing. And so in the login, you found a one bug. For example, after develop, fix that bug, again you test that bug, right?
Yeah.
Again you test that bug, right? That is also
Retesting.
retesting. You again you are retesting, right?
Yeah.
You tested functionality, you log a one bug, developer fix that bug, again you test, right? Okay, that is a retesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Retest the bug. This all are the retesting. Again you testing. Okay. Usability testing. Tell me what is usability?
User friendly.
Just user friendly. See, user friendly, that's it. Okay, simple. You enter invalid username, invalid password. Okay, it shows, right, sign in. Okay,
Yeah.
some this is a not a valid. It enter na.
Yeah.
It should be display, merchant should be display. Email is address does not exist now. The
Yeah.
can't find account with the email address. So that the application is user friendly, right? Without showing this email, this message, that is bug, right? As end user, why not loading? You don't know, right? So
Yeah.
display some message. This is a error
Yeah.
message, right? Okay, this is a problem. The invalid email address. So end user may be issue with the user. So update the mobile number or email address and continue. Okay,
Yeah.
that is user friendliness are there not. Okay, that is called a usability testing. Usability.
Mhm.
GUI. GUI. GUI means, see, graphical user interface. This is a GUI. You are seeing right application. This is the, what is this? This is the error message. This is the sign in text, right? This
Mhm.
is the email, mobile number, phone number. This is a text box. This is a continue button. These are the text boxes. So in the GUI, we test the, this is the color. What is the color?
Red.
Red, right?
Yeah.
Red. Okay. And you can check the font color,
Blue.
font size. Font size is also good, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Font color, font size. You check the any spell check is there. Spell check means spell wrong spell is there. No, right? You
Yes.
check the GUI now. Font color, font size. Okay. Spell check. These are the main things. And look and feel. Look and feel means you are saying now it's good or not. Look and feel. Okay. That
Yeah.
is called a GUI testing. See, this is a text box is there. Alignment is good, right? In the
Mhm.
middle. Okay.
Yeah.
For example, text box displayed here, continue button displayed in the left, text box displayed on the right. The look and feel is not good, right? That is
Mhm.
also one type of bug, right? That is
Yeah.
called a GUI testing.
Okay.
Got it, right?
Got
The
it.
font size is very small. That is also bug, right? Very small, don't see.
Mhm.
Okay, user unable to see. Okay, that is also bug, right? Okay, you
Mhm.
can raise the bug. That is called a GUI related thing. Okay,
Oh, got it.
that is called a GUI. The GUI now mainly you can focus on font color, font size. Okay, look and feel, spell check. Got it? Okay. These
Yeah.
are the major. Okay. Font color, font size is look good or not. Look and feel means uh, everything is look and feel is good or not.
Looking
Spell
good.
check means any spell checks is there. Spell check. Okay.
Yeah.
The GUI testing. See, monkey testing means abnormal action on the application. So, see, I'm clicking continue button, right? I'm
Yeah.
clicking continue button 10 times.
Okay.
But application never crash, right? You
Yeah.
click on application will never crash. Okay,
Yeah.
and you refresh on every 10 times like that. Abnormal actions, right?
Mhm.
Application is never crash, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm entering somewhat data in the text box and hit enter, displaying some error message, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and somewhere when you click any action, okay, like that. So that is abnormal action in the web page. That's it. Okay. So
Mhm.
main intention to application will never crash, right?
Yeah.
Crash. Okay. That is called a monkey testing. abnormal actions on the web page. Okay. Masrima, your mail ID, Biplab mail ID, right?
My mail ID? You can
Hello.
send it to him, but I have my own mail as well.
You know Biplab mail ID this is.
Let me go and ask him.
No. Open the Chrome, na? Open Chrome. Already open, right? Mail ID is open, right?
Yeah, this is shapnil@gmail.com.
Yeah. Just now I sent a mail. Okay. Check the inbox, no? Yeah, open the document. Yeah. So SDLC, I already explained, right? What is SDLC? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, go down. SDLC already explained. Go down. That's it.
Thank you.
3 pages is there, no?
Yeah.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, just now one more. I sent one more mail. Open that mail, no? Yes. Yeah, here
Yeah.
I write a documentation. Okay,
Okay.
go down. Types of testing is there. Types of testing are there. Methodologies I will explain later. Okay, what is methodologies, waterfall model, I will explain later. Scroll down. Yeah, scroll down, no? Scroll down.
Yeah.
Yeah, types of testing that, right?
Yeah.
Unit testing. The 1 minute. Unit testing, no? First, developer will do some testing. That is a unit testing. Go top, no? First one,
Yeah.
unit testing.
Got it.
Okay,
Mhm.
small pieces of code, not entire functionality. So actually, this is a development team work on it, unit testing. So that piece of code is working or not. That's it. That is a small unit is working or not. That is called unit testing. Model now we combine all features. Now we get a one model, right?
Yeah.
We test the only that particular model is working or not. That is a model testing. So both unit testing and model testing both involved in the dev team. Okay, maximum. Okay.
Okay.
Integration testing, this is somewhat important. We integrate different models. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and the time we transfer the data from one model to another model.
Mhm.
Right. So here in Gmail also, for example, compose is there, inbox is there, spam is there. You compose a mail and send it to that person, so they will receive a mail inbox. Now that is a model is different, right? Compose to inbox. Sometime spam message also came, right? That is a spam, right? So that is integration testing. Got it, Bibla? Got it, right?
Yeah.
Integration.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll down. Smoke, we already discussed smoke testing, initial step testing.
Initials. Yeah.
This test case will pass. Now we go to further step. Otherwise, this test case will fail. Regression testing, already tested functionalities.
Yeah.
Okay. Retesting. Okay.
Mhm.
Different test data. Monkey testing, abnormal actions, authentication. Okay. Accessibility testing, direct URL testing, boundary value analysis. Now you not possible to test the entire combinations. You test
Yeah.
the minimum minus one, maximum plus one. Like that, you can test the application. Equivalent class classification, you can take some intervals, either
Mhm.
10 or 5 or 20 or 100 or your wish. Based on that, you test the application. UAT, no? UAT testing is, so
User
everything is good.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything is good. QA to pass, everything is passed. So you can deploy the code to stable, right? QA to stable to prod, right? Production, right? So
Yeah.
at the time of we perform some minimum test cases. Okay, that
Yeah.
is called a UAT testing. Alpha testing means that testing will do it QA people, that is alpha testing. That testing do at a client side, that is a beta testing. Okay.
One more time, please.
Okay. UAT, user acceptance.
Alpha. What is
UAT
alpha?
testing, user acceptance testing.
Yeah.
Go scroll down now. Scroll down. This is a okay alpha testing. Yeah, alpha testing, beta testing, both are same. That is tested by QA people. This is a tested by real time, means client environment. Both are same. Alpha testing, beta testing, both are same. You test a after everything is fine, and you test the minimal test cases at QA environment.
Oh,
Okay,
okay.
QA
Got
people.
it.
That is called
Here.
alpha testing. So same test cases you execute on the client side and the prod side. That is called a beta testing. Okay.
Okay.
User acceptance test cases. Everything clear. Just after deploying the build, you test the minimum test cases. That is a user acceptance test cases. That is alpha and beta. Alpha means QA side, beta means client side. That's it.
Biceps. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
System testing, na, that is completely different. system testing, scroll down. That is stress testing, load testing, performance testing. Okay, that's some other team is there. Stress testing na. Okay, what is the, okay, for example, 100 users at a time hit the service. Okay,
Yeah.
what is the response of the time?
Stress.
Right?
Yeah.
100 time, 1000 time, 1000 user. One time you hit the service, what is the response? Loading. So high load, what is the response time? Low load, what is the response time? Means only 10 users are there. What is the response time? Okay.
Yeah.
Amazon, so many persons are, Gmail also, so many persons are there, right? So,
Yeah.
so many, only 100 members are there. What is the response time? 1000 members are there. What is the response time? 1 lakh members are there. 1 crore members are there. What is the impact for the application? Performance, speed. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Based on the load, how effective, and based on the load is more and accuracy is also good, right?
Yeah.
More loading, accuracy is not good. That is also
Error,
not good, right?
bug. Yeah.
What in the, yeah, okay, that is a, but system testing has some separate team is there. Okay, they will take care of those. Okay,
Okay.
this is the types of testing. Okay, if
Okay.
anyone asks now, explain some types of testing now, so we
Mhm.
can explain like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
any questions as of now?
No, I'll review them. If anything, I will ask you next class.
Yeah, okay. I will
Thank
explain tomorrow the methodologies. This is a waterfall methodology. What is waterfall? I will explain later.
Venkat, tomorrow I won't be able to come. So I can do only on Wednesday night, I mean 8, and Thursday night and Saturday night.
Okay,
Okay, thank you. I'll then talk to you
okay,
on Wednesday,
okay,
Wednesday
yeah,
night. Thank you.
okay, okay,
Thank you.
yeah. Bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.